Gorlin syndrome, also known as basal cell nevus syndrome, is a genetic condition affecting about 1 in every 100,000 births, in which you become covered in skin cancers. Tragic disease, but a case report was recently published in the Journal of the European Academy of Dermatology, describing the temporary arrest of basal cell carcinoma formation in a patient with the syndrome. The poor woman was getting up to 20 new basal cell carcinomas every 6 months. Then she started going to a spa and getting green tea body wraps once a month, and for the following year, not a single new carcinoma appeared. Instead of 40, there were 0. But she ended up stopping after a year, and at her next dermatology visit, 15 new lesions had already started appearing. They assume it was the green tea, but the wrap also contained algae, mustard oil, ginger, calendula, so who knows. Now, the researchers emphasize this is but a single case report, and that it's not like there's enough evidence to start clinical treatment of human patients with non-melanoma skin cancer, because we lack the studies. But why not? Obviously, if there were risks, right, you wouldn't want someone to just start something based on one report. But what's the downside of giving it a try?